Well, it's always a good day when we have the jail-to-job completion ceremony because we're able to bestow upon these students the honor of completing this class. It shows the first step toward a new life after incarceration. And then, of course, the completion of any event, whether it's high school graduation, college graduation, or J-to-J graduation, just shows a milestone that these students were able to accomplish.
Well, first of all, it's a great day for the college because it's an opportunity for us to be involved in just a little aspect of each one of these guys' lives as far as getting them back on the road to being a successful citizen. And it's also huge in their life because now they have a credential.
These are college credit courses. These aren't watered down in any way. These are not modified beyond what we have to do to offer them inside the prison.
Well, I think you got to look at the mission of the community college, and our mission of the community college is to reach out and be a part of the community and enhance the life of every individual in our community. And I think that's what makes Northeast so special, is because we're trying to better the lives of the individuals regardless, whether they're just normal citizens on the outside or they're incarcerated. It doesn't really matter. We're wanting to affect the lives of individuals, and I think that separates Northeast Mississippi Community College from all the other community colleges across the nation.